Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video, we will be looking at another library which allows you to actually extract text from the PDF document. And in this specific tutorial, this time we will be using a PyPDF2 library. This is again a open source Python library. If you just type on Google right here, PyPDF2. So the name of the library comes right here. You will see it has its own package right here. The command is very simple, which is pip install pypdf2. The latest version is 3.0.1, and this is again a very famous Python library for working with PDF documents. You can just perform all the operations with it. You can split PDF, merge, crop, transform. All these operations you can perform. One such operation is actually extracting the text which is written in the PDF document. So let's suppose we have this PDF file present in the same directory. Let me just open it in the browser. You will see there are 3 pages out there. Each page is containing some text right here. This is the first page, this is the second page, this is the third page. So now I will simply write a simple Python script which will actually use this library pypdf2, and programmatically we will actually save all this text in a TXT file. And let me just run this PDF Python script right here. So as I write here Python app2ypy, you will see in the left hand side a file will be created. So if I execute it, so you will basically see a notification message is there, text extracted and saved to output.txt. So if you open this output.txt, you will basically see all the text has been extracted in the txt file. So in this way, you can extract all the text from the PDF document and save it as a txt file. So now I will basically write the code step by step. So the very first thing, you should have Python installed on your machine. I am using the latest version, Python 3.0 version. And then just write this command, pip install pypdf2. This is the name of the package, pip install pypdf2. So you just need to install this package. So now at the very first line right here, we will import this package pypdf2. So we have imported this package, and then we have a simple main function of Python. So every Python program has this main function. So here we need to provide our PDF path. So this PDF path is present in the same directory, guys. You will see sample.pdf. So simply we will write sample.pdf. And then after this, we need to provide our text path. So this will be automatically be created in the root directory as well, this file output.txt. So you can just change the name as well. And then we will define this custom function that we will write extract text from PDF. We will pass these two as arguments right here, PDF path and txt path. And then we will simply write a simple notification that PDF text has been extracted and saved. That's all. Now we just need to define this function right here. So in Python, we can define functions using def keyword, extract text from PDF. And here you will simply write the two arguments right here, which will be passed PDF path and txt path. So right here, guys, what we need to do right here, we need to first of all open the PDF file. So we will simply use the open function right here once again. And here we will pass PDF path, and we will be using the read binary mode. So we will read the binary of the PDF document, and we will read it as this variable PDF file. But this is really important. We are actually using the open function. We are actually opening the PDF file as a read binary mode, and this is actually the variable that we will be using in this loop, in this open function. So now to read this, we will simply be using a module which is present inside this module pypdf2, and it contains a PDF reader method, PDF reader method it contains right here. And here we need to pass the name of the PDF file like this. So here we are actually using the PDF reader method of pypdf2 library, and we are actually reading the PDF file. And now we just need to create the txt file. So again, we will use the open function This time we will provide write mode because we are writing the file, we are creating the file in the root directory. So these are different flags. W stands for write, R stands for read. So we are writing the file, that's why we are providing write flag. And then we need to provide the encoding, which is UTF-8 by default. And then we need to give it a variable, which is text file, colon. And then you need to calculate total number of pages which are present in the input PDF file. So now for calculating the total number of pages, you will see in this file it is 3 pages. So you need to calculate programmatically. So there is an actual method which is there, which is length function. And here PDF reader, this variable contains a property called as dot pages. This will be a simple number, and here we are actually passing it to the length function. It will calculate it the total number of pages. So now for each page we will first of all get the page. For getting the page we will simply say here PDF reader, and we will simply say here pages property and then square bracket, and then we will pass the individual page number. We will simply iterate through all the pages which are present in the PDF document. After calculating how many pages are there, we will get access to each individual page, and then the next step will be to actually extract the text from the PDF page. So now to extract that PDF text right here, we have again a method present, page.extract text. This is actual method which will simply extract the text from the actual page of the PDF, and then we will simply write this text. Simply use the write function and write the text, and again we will simply write it a new line character so that it appears on the new line. That's all. So this completes the script, guys. That's all that we need to do inside this Python program. And if you now run this file, if I change the output name right here of the file to result.txt, so just see in the left hand side as I run this file, python app.py. So you will see PDF text has been extracted and saved, and you will see result.txt has been successfully created, and it has got all the text which are written in the PDF document. So you will see all this text has been saved in a TXT file. So in this way, you can use the PyPDF2 library in Python to actually extract the text from PDF document and save it in a TXT file. So thank you very much for watching this video. Please hit that like button, subscribe the channel as well, and I will be seeing you in the next video.